Get iron with me. Mo start the ironing together. We don't start to. We don't resume our work. What we love her to do best to. My people, how it take start to. I've been on the iron for some time now since I gave birth to my first child. So iron can just tire me. So recently my daughter come tell me say, Mommy, you have not been ironing again. Anytime we wear shirt, he's always excusing. Now, Mommy, please, can you start ironing back? And I say, hey, my daughter, you self love good thing, eh? So now I say, okay, since 3 days now, don't they try to iron? I go say today, tomorrow. Now just okay, that's your be weekend. Now today as the two younger ones not go kindergarten because of the snow. Now it's okay, make I start on this morning or this being Friday morning. Now I just start to the iron the bed sheet. Iron everything and bed sheet at a start based on say I don't change all the children bed sheet, so I need to wash them, iron. So now be this one or before I can wash another one again for this weekend again can start. I don't start resume my work. Oh, congratulations to me. Guys, watch to the end. Follow me on my Facebook page, Legit Queen TV also. The BTV. Follow me on YouTube, Ella Watch Family Vlog, also Jama Boss Lady. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on TikTok. Thank you for guys for watching. Please watch to the end and see my handwork. How it goes. Thanks for watching. I know say when my daughter will come back today, we'll be very happy. We'll be proud of mommy. Say, hey, mommy, you have started ironing. Thank you, mommy. So I didn't know that children love good thing, Eh? My daughter said, Mommy, please, can you start ironing back? When you iron our clothes, it look nice. It look more beautiful. It's true, though. It's true, ironing is very good, but it's not easy to be ironing 6 people clothes. It's not easy, but God will give us the grace as a mom, as a wife, as everything. You know, it's your mothers are trying, sitting down, doing all the whole house chores, although sometimes the men do support if they are home. Look at the handwork now. Look at the finish of now.